Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below for this item and see what other goodies they have to offer. But if you like this item, all you got to do, add it to your cart, check it out fast, and they'll ship this to you really fast. So here we go, about to get inside this thing and see what it's all about. Here we go. Oh boy. Nice packaging there. Alright. This is coming from SONORO Kate. Kind of nice little handle. These are like, here we go. Bed sheet set. King size. Alright. So we're going to show you what it looks like out of the box. And then once I'm done throwing these in the wash, I'll show what it's look like on the bed. So stay tuned for that. But right now, make sure you always wash your sheets and clothes if you do online shopping. Just be on the safe side. You never know, especially with shipping. So here we go. But definitely for this stuff, I would wash at least once, right as soon as you get it. And then here we go. Nice little bow tie type deal again. It's like another present inside. Check this out. Let her breathe. And here we go. We got the SONORO Kate. I think that's how you pronounce it. SONORO. You gotta go. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, look at that. Here we go. Yeah, buddy. We got that done. And that's a lot of fun. Here we go. Take a look. You got the 4 sheets. You got 2 pillowcases. I forgot what that other cover is before you put your sheet down. It's like another sheet, I guess. So this is the main one, or this is a, yeah, this is the main one with this. Alright. Put that aside. So I'm going to throw these in the wash and give it about an hour. Then I'll be back. And this is like the other part. You put it over the sheet. Well, it comes with 2 pillowcases somewhere in here. I know they are. There they are. Somewhere. And here we got, yeah, right there. So really cool. Nice color too. They got different colors, so if you don't like this color, if you want a lighter color or so, check them out. Add the cart to your shopping cart, and they'll ship this to you fast. So next time I'll see you, we'll be in the bedroom. Show you guys the rest of this SONORO Kate premium bed sheets, 1800 Egyptian thread. This is a premium stuff, guys. You see this on like movies, sets, TV shows, and stuff like that. This is where they get them from. So check them out. Link will be down below. I'll be right back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we are back again. Now inside the bedroom with the king size sheets. So definitely check them out. Nice material. Super soft. You guys will definitely like this. I just wear my gloves now, so hold on one sec. Gotta put these on. There we go. We got the pillowcases. Comes with 2 of them. Got the nice embroidering right there. Oh yeah. Got that. Comes with the 2 pillowcases, and here's that first sheet I was telling you about. Back it up a little bit more. There you go. But these are the ones you see on the TV shows, movies. Exactly the same kind, guys. But way cheaper. Definitely check them out. Link will be down below. Zoom in. And this is the 8 sleep pod bed. You guys want to get one? all you gotta do, I'll have the link down below too. The best bed in the universe. Guaranteed. So right there is the king size. And we got the bed sheets, pillowcases, got everything. So, right there. Alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good weekend. And I will see you guys back hopefully tomorrow. If not, I'll see you guys soon. Oops. And be safe out there. See ya.